Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am drawing a beautiful cat. I love drawing and painting so much. You can try to draw with me. Drawing. Drawing is a beautiful art from that can capture the world around us in a unique and expressive way. It's a way of communicating ideas and emotions without words. If I can be enjoyed by all people of all ages and skill levels. This drawing is of a cute cat. The cat is sitting and looking at you with big eyes. It has soft fur all over its body. The cat tail is long, its ears are pointy. The background is plain, so you can really see the cat. The artist used simple color like black, white, and gray. The cat looks calm and happy. You can almost feel how soft it is just by looking. The drawing is small but full of cat feelings. It makes you want to pet the cat. Overall, it's sweet and simple drawing of a loyal cat. If you like my video, then like and share it. Thank you so much. You watching my video.